always shout, there goes John Jacob Jingleheimer Schmidt. Da 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 da.
Now, let's try our library voices a little bit softer.
John Jacob Jingleheimer Schmidt, his name is my name too. Whenever I go out, the people always shout, there goes John Jacob Jingleheimer Schmidt. Da 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 da.
Now, let's be even more quiet in our make-believe library.
John Jacob Jingleheimer Schmidt, his name is my name too. Whenever I go out, the people always shout, there goes John Jacob Jingleheimer Schmidt. Da 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 da.
Oh, well, sometimes it's fun to be loud, but now let's use our very quietest library voices.
John Jacob Jingleheimer Schmidt, his name is my name too. Whenever I go out, the people always shout, there goes John Jacob Jingleheimer Schmidt. Da 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 da. Oh yeah!
Oh, Barney, it's always such fun visiting you and your friends.
Oh, and it's always fun reading your nursery rhymes, Mother Goose.
Sure is, Mother Goose. Thank you, dears. And you know, my goose Clarence just loves these rhymes, too. Wherever he is.